Hey everyone, let's talk Flower and Garden Festival. It's running now until July 5th, 2023. This is a beautiful festival to attend with friends, family, even a girls' trip. There are beautiful topiaries around World Showcase and around the entire park. There's some incredible food and drink offerings. There's so much to take in that it's gonna feel like you're gonna need more than a day. There's also the Garden Rocks, which is so much fun. The concert runs the entire length of the festival, and there are dining packages that can make getting seats super easy. So don't forget to reach out. All around the park, you'll find the most adorable and impressive topiaries. The outdoor kitchens are amazing, and the food is freshly made. With Epcot as your backdrop, it's hard not to have the best of times. Plus, the topiaries are so cute, you'll want to get a picture of everything. Some of my favorite topiaries this year were Beauty and the Beast, Lumiere and Cogsworth, but the winner to me was definitely Tiana, with Tinkerbell coming in a close second. The food was fantastic, and it's gonna feel like it's gonna be hard to get everything in, but don't worry, there's plenty of time, and it runs until July 5th. So you have time to get everything in, especially, fear not, there's so much time to take it in, and the food portions are smaller so that you can try everything from every booth if you want to. If you're coming from someplace that doesn't have those hot temps in the summer, it's still an amazing time to go to Disney World, especially with all of the summer discounts that they have going on. Some of my favorite food from the festival was the Taco Vampiro, the boneless Impossible Korean short rib, the cucumber and watermelon slushy, and all of the slushies in France. I'm just saying, most of the time you can never go wrong with France. All around the parks, you're gonna find so much fun to take in. Everybody's having a great time, and there's so many character meet and greets. Who doesn't love meeting a character? I mean, come on. That's Disney at its finest. But the food, again, was the highlight of my trip. There's just so much fun at Epcot, and I really do hope that you can take this in with friends and family. I will be adding this trip as something I must do at least once a year. The food is just fantastic. I don't think you'll be disappointed. And I really do hope that if you can go, you reach out, let me know. I would love to help you plan a trip. And who doesn't love ending the day at Epcot? There's just so much to have fun with, and there's so many ways to enjoy yourself. Just reach out, Caroline at GlassSlipperConcierge.com, and let's plan your next amazing vacation.